Hello. So I just wanted to go over some really super basic um, keyboard function with you. Four of them, actually. I'm going to keep it simple. So these are just some things either I've noticed or I've had to go over a lot, and it's just because I can't be there to help you and show you how to do it. So we're going to do it this way. So hopefully you can see my screen here with my keyboard, and hopefully by me doing it up here will help. So one of the things I wanted to talk about was copy and paste. When we need to copy and paste a link and share it, or copy and paste something to put into a document. Okay, so we're just going to go over to the school page here, and we're going to copy this little blurb about Grace E. Metz. Okay, so I'm going to take my mouse, I'm going to hold it down, and I'm just going to scroll over whatever I want, which I think most of us do know how to do this. I think the troubling part is the cutting and copying. Okay, so I scroll over what I want, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Control C. Okay, and it has copied it for me. I'm going to go back to my document, and this time I'm going to hit Control V, and it shows up. Okay, there it is. So on my keyboard, I hit Control, we'll go back, I hit Control C to copy, and then in my document or wherever I'm putting it, could be chat box, whatever, I'm going to hit Control V. Okay, now say I'm in a document and I copied this or I pasted this too many times. I don't want it anymore. So how can I get rid of it without sitting here and back? You can cut it, okay? So we're going to, again, scroll over. And this time we're going to hit Control X. And there it is. It's gone, okay? I've made a mistake. I want it back. Control V. There it is again. All right. So our most important functions here for copy, cut, and paste. If we want to copy, and you can even see on my screen when I hit Control, it shows up. Copy, Control C. If I want to paste, Control V. There it is again. And if I want to take something and cut it, Control X. Okay. One other thing I wanted to talk about was how do we capitalize letters? Okay. Because one of the things I've noticed is we like to use the caps lock button. We hit the note that or the letter we want, and then we unlock. There's such an easier way to do that. All right. So if you want to capitalize a letter right now, I'm just type, whatever. Okay. If I want to capitalize a letter, I'm going to hit the shift button and then whatever letter it is that I want. I'll do that again without all that gibberish there. The backspace button. Open everything up. I'm going to hit shift. There it is. And then I can just move on. I don't have to unlock anymore. Next letter, shift. There it is. Oops, didn't work. There we go. Okay, so cut, copy, paste, capital letters.